Hi, my name is Matt. Welcome to another episode of NC Star Tech TV. Today we're going to be going over our new AR-15 upper vise block. This is a different vise block than you've seen before. Two halves. This upper half will slide into the upper receiver like a bolt carrier group and actually pins into the front receiver for a very solid lockup. Let's take a closer look at this and see how we actually would use it. Okay, so here we have our vise block and our vise here on the table with an upper receiver. First, we're going to remove these two pins. Then we're going to remove the two outside screws. The larger screws that are inside of those do not need to be removed. Okay, so I'm just taking down half. And we're going to take the upper portion here. The black piece with this Allen wrench is going to go towards the rear, like where your charging handle would go. And you're going to insert this into the upper receiver just like you would your bolt carrier group. So you'll see the rectangle back here. That's going to go into the back where your takedown pin is. Okay. And everything's trapped inside there. So now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the pins. And we're going to reinstall these two Allen screws that will hold everything together solid. And you don't have to tighten them down too tight, just snug. And we're going to put this here on our table vise. And obviously you would use this on a vise that's bolted down, but as you can see, this is nice and solid. So now you can tighten down your barrel nut, install barrels, remove barrel nut. So as a brief overview on how to use this upper receiver vise block, very simple usage, very solid, easy to use, and will make it much easier for many of your gunsmithing projects. If you have any questions regarding this product, give us a call here at NC Star Tech Support. Check us out on our website, ncstar.com. Make sure you check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, NC Star Optics. And again, thank you for watching.